Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to enter a promo code in Township. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Township on my phone and this is how my town looks like. So basically guys, right here in the top, you're gonna find your coins and also your T-Cash. If you click on this little plus, you can buy some coins or T-Cash using real money. There's also some available packs right here. So for me, I have these sorted set. If I buy it, I will get 50 T-Cash and also some tools, as you can see guys right here. Right here in the left, you're going to find your current level, also your population and population cap. And under it, you're going to find this little icon, which is the settings icon. So if I click on it right here, you're going to find yourself in the settings. You can sign in to your Facebook account or sign out. You're going to find the additional settings right here, help and support, notifications about the game, save progress, and under it, lastly, you would see the enter promo code button. If you click on enter promo code, you're going to get this box. And all you need to do, guys, right now is type the promo code. And after it, click on confirm. And if the promo code is working, it will work. As you can see, guys, in my case, I'm entering the wrong promo code. That's why I get this message saying wrong promo code. So I'm going to go back. Make sure that the promo code is correct and then it will work. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.